start?
Yeah.
It is Saturday morning, and it is snowing, right?
Yeah.
How much is it snowing?
Well, there
Oh
was
no,
no
why don't you show
snow.
them? There you go. Hey, I figured you'd get it eventually. Fucking show them.
There's no snow on the ground yet, but it's falling.
We're in a truck, so we're good. Yeah, it's falling.
I was gonna go to kickboxing this morning, but that isn't happening because I have a tiny ass car and don't feel like dealing with that.
Yeah, it's not fun. What are we doing today for a workout?
Arms.
Okay. And what happened first thing this morning? That sounds wrong. But what happened when my phone...
Well, that didn't happen.
What happened when my phone binged the first thing this morning?
Oh, your client canceled?
My client canceled on the account of flurries coming. Flurries. And she even fessed up to it. She was like, yeah, I'm one of those clients that will call out if there was like a fucking flurry on the ground. I'm like, Jesus. I'm like, it hasn't even started snowing yet. She's like, yeah, I know. I'm planning for the future. I'm like, what? Like, you're fucking kidding me, man. So yeah, so I had a client cancel on me for flurries, and she's in a Range Rover. She's in a fucking Range Rover.
And we're late, as always.
Yeah, hopefully Diane isn't there right now. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock.
And we're not even close.
We got what, another 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah, probably another 10.
Diane's probably like, where is this motherfucker? I paid this motherfucker a bill. Paid this motherfucker, he's not even here. But yeah, so we got arms and shoulders, and yeah, I hit a 455, 65,
55,
55, 455 rack pull. Could have won 5 plates, but I didn't feel like racking 10 plates back. I got it for 2 reps, and you'll be seeing that video probably before you see this one, actually. Probably, maybe.
I don't know, you told me you were running to Dunkin', so you're just not including
true.
me on that trip?
Oh yeah. Oh, well, you can't come with me.
Well, I know that.
Yeah. But yeah. So what do you want to Dunkin' then?
I don't know.
Huh?
I said I don't know.
Fucking kidding me? Is that just your answer to everything in life?
No, I'm very decisive
I don't
on
know.
some things.
Is it? I don't know. You're what? What'd you just say?
I said I'm very decisive on some things.
I thought you just said you're very decisive on a lot of things. I'm like, what? No, you're fucking not. If anything, you're the exact opposite of that.
There are some things that I'm decisive on, and then some things where I'm like, I don't know. I'm not like super hungry first thing in the morning, so that's why I don't know.
Yeah, I am the person that is super hungry first thing in the morning. I feel empty inside. Like I haven't eaten in like a week, and then I have to eat 3 bowls of Cheerios to not feel as empty, and then I eat another hour later to get something actually in my stomach that doesn't digest in 5 seconds. So yeah. See how busy Dunkin' is. Oh, apparently Walmart and Stop and Shop were fucking packed yesterday.
I can imagine. We should have gone.
People were literally getting bread and milk because they know we're getting
because it's bread and milk season.
3 to 6 inches of snow. 3 to 6. Let's get that bread and milk just in case the end of the world comes, right?
Bread and milk are the 2 fucking staples. Like, why?
Fucking ridiculous. Because it was like an old school thing back in like fucking 1970. Just get bread and milk because those are the essentials to living if you're stuck in your basement.
What are you gonna have? A fucking milk sandwich?
No, you just eat bread, plain, and then you drink milk.
I'm joking.
No, what you do, you pour yourself a glass of milk, you dunk that shit in there. No, you put it in and you just stir it.
Ew.
Stir around, it's like a fucking
It's like chocolate milk, but bread milk.
It's a bread smoothie. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's so gross.
You know where we stopped?
Why'd you make me do that?
This story.
Alright, here we go. go.
The liquor store was packed last night too.
Yeah.
Dude, I almost got hit from someone.
Dude, I almost got hit from someone the night before. Dunkin' really isn't busy.
You should have stopped now.
No, never
no,
mind.
it's busy.
No, never mind.
We lie.
All right.
135. See how many I can get. Looking for 5. I'm not going all the way up. I'm not trying to, get my 1 rep max here. I'm just trying to make my shoulders work and come up about there, get back down, and kind of keep a nice little constant tension going. Talk on my phone all you want, but this is just the way I do it. I feel my shoulders work the best way that way. Belt up. Let's do this shit. Pants are tight. Let's get it. 1 for 5. Six. Rolling. Yeah. This is a woman's bar, so right now there's how much on here?
135. No, more than that because it's 145.
45. Roll for 3. It's a really shitty angle that you're on right now.
It's going to shift once you got.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, no. Take off the 10s around 5. Only 135. Too big of a jump. You were straight. The angle though, bro.
135.
Yeah, now this is 135. That was too big of a jump. Now I'm tired though. You ready? Going for 3. That wasn't pretty. Alright, let me see. Stop recording me, let me see.
You got a tree.
Huh?
We have a tree.
Let's record. You got it. shit, right? Saturday night dinner. We got Westcott House, which is in Coventry, and I got a just regular grilled chicken wrap with some veggies, tomatoes, and a little bit of ranch, and sweet potato fries. And Cassie over here drinking the water. She got something that looks amazingly delicious. I think it's chicken parm.
Eggplant parm.
Eggplant parm, which sounds like chicken parm and looks like chicken parm.
It's super yummy.
How is it? Is it good? Alright, so early Christmas present, I got stacked protein. I don't know how well you can see that. You see it over here? You can see it good?
Yeah.
And these are nutrition facts. I don't know if you can see those. You see them? Yeah. 25 grams of protein. And then Z-Force. It's just a regular ZMA kind of supplement. And sinking magnesium. And then you got your little vitamins in there. And yeah, nice and simple. Take this at night. So I have the better half driving the truck in a snowstorm, and she doesn't feel any safer at all in this truck. And she looks pretty nervous, and she looks really tiny behind the wheel. And we're about taking a left. Let's see how slow she comes. I bet we're not gonna make the light. How much will I bet we're not gonna make the light? Ah, I didn't make the light. And now we're gonna go right into the fucking. We're good. We made it. We're good. All right, we're live. Good job, babe. Hey, good job.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. It was ARM Day today, and I think our third vlog. So, yeah.
Yeah.
It snowed, which sucks, because snow is cold and wet.
Is it?
Yeah. Now we're just hanging out, watching some Family Feud.
I think she'd be a good science teacher.
Thank you.
All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah. Snowing
Like and
out.
subscribe.
What?
Is it like and subscribe?
Like what and subscribe?
The video.
This video? Oh yeah. Like this video. Comment on it if you have any anything to ask us. Any feedback is also greatly appreciated. And yeah, thanks for watching.